Emerging markets. 48. It's coming to the support now. And I have this stop. Like 2 points. Scalping's been pretty hard, man. Shouldn't even. Sort of playing this bounce on support. I just got in long calls. Have this piercing candle. Pretty good trade right now. We sort of bounced on that support. Um, I could basically hold this trade until around the 50% retracement, but I'm definitely going to start taking profits soon. We sort of played that bounce. Let's see how far we can continue. Solid right now. I just took profits there. Good trade. And it could keep going up. I think it keeps going up to this level. I shouldn't go in with markets, right? Going with limits. Yeah, thinking that it'll go up to this level. Sort of playing this bounce, this hammer right here. How many points is that? 2, 1, 9. Almost like 3 points, which isn't bad. Could have taken it like 5, which isn't bad. It really is like sort of catching that bounce, catching this piercing candle on support. Right. That's really all it is. It's like trading, it's like trading, just trading support, supply and demand, trading supply and demand. Look at Tesla, fucking Tesla. I got this bullish hammer, right? Don't know how to play that. But we'll just wait. There's no trade right now because I'm not on supply or demand, right? especially the EMAs are going down as well. We had this trend line break, and then we just rejected. If anything, like you could go short with a tight stop loss, you know, perhaps. Like that might be a good trade, but I think you do just wait. You know, I don't want to take that trade. It's not an A plus setup, so I won't take it. That long I had probably, well, I definitely would have exited. Let me see this. I could probably go short here. All right, I'm in one position. I'll have this buy stop here, and I can see if I could take this all the way down here with the buy limit. I'll be around 4 points. Trade could be going my way pretty quick, but we're taking that reversal. This looks like it's gonna touch. I could probably take this more down. All right, really good trade. That was a really quick trade too, but really good trade. Really good trade. But that was just such a quick scalp. Maybe I could have taken it down here, but wow. Thank God I got out the trade. Wow, thank God I got out. That's so crazy. But that's why you also have to put the stop loss, right? Thank God I put that stop loss. Maybe it's a time I could take this breakout if that was on volume, but that's not a good entry because if I enter here, my stop loss will be around 9 points, but maybe I go in small here. Let's see if I could just go in small, 2 contracts. No, let's not do that. Let's not do that. But let's wait. Let's see what the market is doing. Sort of making this bullish engulfing candle. Let's go long here. This could sort of be like a longer term trade. I'm going short volume here. Where would be my stop loss? Don't really know. I just think I want to hold the trade, right? It's like I went short volume, but because we had that gap, that was where, that was why I was pretty confident in the trade. We're going to be on that resistance level, so let me start taking. I just took profits there. Yeah, good trade. Honestly, I probably could have held too, but we definitely made this. We're making this engulfing candle, so yeah, let's just continue to wait and see. I definitely could have held that trade. If I went in with my correct size as well, that probably would have been a good trade. Really, you know, really just engulfed. Tesla going back up. Wow. Q sort of going back up. This isn't on volume, but we had the hammer, then the bullish engulfing. Us. That's why that was pretty good trading. But yeah, that's why I entered that one trade. So if the bulls win the day, we could definitely still go long, right? We could just find places to go long, right? If this retraces, let's see if this retraces to the 5895 level, and then we could get in on some longs. Let's see. And this is we opened here at 9:30, and then we just been dropping. Who knows? Who knows? This is, this is because this came up with volume, which is why I think buyers are going to be back in control. I just don't want to get in too early here. I definitely could have held that second trade, but I don't want to get in too early. I want to wait for the retracement around this 5,896 level. If I could come to that level and sort of some some bullish candlestick patterns, then I could take that trade. Because this retracement is from 906 to 84. What's that? 16, 22, 11, 906, 11. So 95. It's like 50% retracement will probably be around like here. So yeah, this is good so far. Sort of wait for that retracement. There's definitely going to be a lot of buying and selling around this area. But I think the best place to take this trade will be around here if we can get here. If we don't, if we start showing signs of retracement, I'm just gonna have to let that trade go, right? Like this is signs right now. Very bullish signs right now as well. Very bullish signs. Um yeah, it's definitely still wait and see though. I don't want to jump in that trade. Playing on my bathroom speaker. I already took a couple good scalps this morning. Definitely just want to keep holding. Not holding. I probably could have held that trade, but more of a wait and see type of day. Gee, I seen that. Boy, that's a good trade, boy. And even this one, right? This one retraced and just kept going. So this is gonna be tough. Look at this on the 5 minute. Root is sort of holding that level. Maybe that could be a credit spread. NDX sort of holding that. This was on sizable volume as well. So there's definitely, you know, there's definitely some buyers in here. I guess we're on support as well. So if we do retrace, I could probably hold the